going on YouTube? And hello, Two Train Robotics, my robotics team. I just want to show you all what things I do, like when I'm at work and it's after hours, and when I have some free time on my hands. I want to show you something I've been working on for a little while. This right here, it's a little circuit I've been working on for a little while. I saw it on the internet. What it does is when the light is turned out, the LED here, the red LED, turns on. There's no switches or anything like that. And there's a photoresist on here. It's a little tiny that you can't really see. It's right next to the LED, and that's basically is a resistor. And when the light is on, the resistance is low, and what it does, it absorbs the amount of light. And when the light is turned off, the resistance is higher. I can't explain all that too much, but that's pretty much a simple idea of what a photoresistor does. And I'll show you how to work in a little bit. And I'm going to show you what my office looks like. Well, what my desk looks like anyway. Alright, everywhere you see is resistors, the current circuit I'm working on, and more resistors, and my little wire string tools, my boxes where all my stuff is in. My camera case right over there. But yeah, so my desk is full of electronic parts. So I just like to work on stuff. I'm just getting back into circuits and stuff right now. So this right here is my current circuit design I'm working on, and what it is I've got off this site called Electronics Club, and you can find it. It's called the Electronics Club. You can find it on Google. Yeah, that's what the website looks like. And the design I'm working on is this one right here. It's an electronic heart design. That's the animation of it. And what the actual circuit looks like is the schematic up here, right here, and this is another one. This is the one I'm using right now. This is the schematic for the circuit. And right now, this is what it looks like if you were to build it. But right now, you can't hardly see that clear because my camera is not that great. So yeah, so right now it's on a breadboard, and it's actually powered by my USB port of my computer. You see that clearly. Yeah, right there is plugged into my USB port, because the USB port gives off 5 volts and the circuit actually takes 9 volts. So I want to show you what this little thing does, little bugger, what it does. So I'm going to hook it up real quick. Show you what it looks like. Right now I have 2 wires already hooked into the breadboard. This one here is actually going to the positive side, and this right here is going to the ground. And I remember where all my connections are already, so let's make this happen, folks. So let me bring this over here. Let's line it up a bit. Okay, I should make sure I'm getting the shot right, else you all be angry because the camera's not pointing at it. I love the critics will tell me that it's not pointing at it. So I'm just move this out the way, and that should be connected properly. Now, what you should see is when I turn out the light, that red LED should come on, and it does. Is right now it's pausing a little bit because the monitor from the light from the monitor is still hitting a little bit of the photoresistor, and you can see how the other ones look. The light, yes, going from green to red. Make that look like that's gonna be my Knight Rider circuit when I'm done. Yeah, for my little Knight Rider circuit. I've been dying to get that right. I've made one before with my mentor when I was a student in Columbia. Actually, it was a mentor at the time. But it was at Columbia University here in New York City. We was working on the Knight Rider circuit before, but right now I'll make sure I'm getting it right this time. I haven't hooked up the first circuit. That's a huge circuit. It's much bigger than this one. It actually uses 5 integrated circuit chips, but this one's using only 2. So yeah. Yep. So that's pretty much what I do. I like to do. One of the many things I like to do is because I'm interested in electronics. My father was interested in electronics. He went to school at Job Corps for electrical engineering, and I've always been interested in stuff like this. I've been taking apart computers, TVs, phones, laptops, stuff, just to see how it works. And now that I have some basic understanding of how these things work, hopefully someday I'll be designing them much better than what they are now. So this is a little bit into my world of what I do. Next week I'm going to be posting some videos about my robotics class I'll be teaching and my robotics team. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and you will see more videos later on. And hope you have a good night. Good night.